Welcome to Kazbegi, Georgia's breathtaking mountain paradise. Nestled in the Caucasus Mountains, Kazbegi is the perfect destination for adventure seekers, nature lovers, and those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. From majestic peaks to ancient monasteries, this place has it all. Stay with us as we take you on an unforgettable journey through Kazbegi's must-visit spots and hidden gems. Kazbegi, officially known as Stepantsminda, is a small town located in the northern part of Georgia, near the Russian border. Surrounded by towering mountains, this scenic region is best known for its natural beauty, cultural heritage, and thrilling outdoor activities. How to get to Kazbegi narrator. Kazbegi is about a 3-hour drive from Tbilisi. The journey itself is an adventure as you travel along the famous Georgian military highway, passing stunning landscapes, historic sites, and scenic mountain views. Top attractions in Kazbegi narrator. Kazbegi is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in Georgia. Let's explore the must-visit places. Gergeti Trinity Church. Narrator. Perched at an altitude of 2,170 meters, Gergeti Trinity Church is Kazbegi's most iconic landmark. Built in the 14th century, this historic church offers breathtaking panoramic views of Mount Kazbek and the surrounding valleys. It's a must-visit spot for history lovers and photography enthusiasts. Mount Kazbek narrator, towering at 5,047 meters. Mount Kazbek is one of the highest and most beautiful peaks in the Caucasus Mountains. Adventure seekers flock here for hiking, mountaineering, and breathtaking sunrise views from the summit. Whether you're an experienced climber or just an admirer of nature's beauty, this majestic mountain will leave you in awe. Dariali Gorge narrator. Known as the Gate of the Caucasus, Dariali Gorge is a dramatic mountain pass located at the border of Georgia and Russia. With its towering cliffs and winding river, this gorge is a paradise for nature lovers and photographers. It's also home to Dariali Monastery, a peaceful retreat amidst the wild landscapes. Gveleti Waterfalls. Narrator. A short and scenic hike from Kazbegi leads to the breathtaking Gveleti Waterfalls. These stunning cascades are surrounded by lush greenery and make for a perfect picnic or photography spot. The hike is relatively easy, making it an ideal adventure for families and casual travelers. Trousseau Valley. Narrator. Trousseau Valley is one of Kazbegi's hidden gems. This remote valley is known for its colorful mineral springs, abandoned villages, and untouched nature. Hiking through Trousseau Valley feels like stepping into another world, where time slows down and nature takes center stage. It's a must-visit for those seeking tranquility and adventure. Juta Village and Chauki Mountains. Narrator. Juta Village is often called the Georgian Dolomites due to its resemblance to the famous Italian mountains. This high-altitude village offers some of the best hiking trails in Georgia, leading to the breathtaking Chauki Mountains. Whether you're trekking, camping, or simply soaking in the views, Juta is a paradise for nature lovers. Snow Valley. Narrator. Snow Valley is famous for its massive stone carvings of ancient Georgian kings and warriors. These impressive sculptures, set against the stunning mountain backdrop, provide a unique glimpse into Georgia's rich history and culture. It's a fantastic spot for history buffs and photographers alike. Kazbegi National Park. Narrator. Kazbegi National Park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. With its diverse landscapes, ranging from deep gorges to high-altitude meadows, the park offers excellent opportunities for trekking, birdwatching, and wildlife spotting. If you're looking for a peaceful escape into nature, this is the place to be. Arsha Waterfalls. Narrator. Less crowded than Gveleti Waterfalls, Arsha Waterfalls is a hidden gem located near the village of Arsha. The refreshing mist, crystal clear waters, and peaceful surroundings make it an ideal spot for relaxation. After a day of adventure, local Kazbegi cuisine and hospitality. Narrator. No trip to Kazbegi is complete without experiencing its delicious local food and warm hospitality. Enjoy traditional Georgian dishes like kinkali, juicy dumplings, emti svadi, grilled meat skewers, and cha-cha, strong Georgian spirit, at one of the cozy guest houses or mountain cafes. Gergeti Trinity Church. The most famous attraction in Kazbegi, Gergeti Trinity Church, sits at an elevation of 2,170 meters, offering stunning panoramic views of Mount Kazbek. This 14th century church is not just a religious site, but also a symbol of Georgia's deep history and culture. Mount Kazbek. One of the highest peaks in the Caucasus, Mount Kazbek stands at 5,047 meters. It's a dream destination for climbers and hikers looking for a thrilling adventure. Dariali Gorge. Located on the border between Georgia and Russia, Dariali Gorge is known for its dramatic cliffs and breathtaking scenery. It's a great spot for photography and exploring Georgia's rugged landscape. Gveleti Waterfalls. A short hike from Kazbegi takes you to the beautiful Gveleti Waterfalls, where you can enjoy the sound of cascading water and the fresh mountain air. Trousseau Valley. A lesser-known gem, Trousseau Valley is a remote yet stunning place filled with mineral springs, abandoned villages, and untouched nature. A perfect spot for hiking enthusiasts. Adventure activities in Kazbegi narrator. Kazbegi isn't just about sightseeing, it's also a hub for adventure lovers. Here are some exciting activities to try. Hiking and trekking. Numerous trails lead to breathtaking viewpoints, making Kazbegi a paradise for hikers. The hike to Gergeti Trinity Church is a must-try. Paragliding. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, paragliding over the Caucasus Mountains offers an unmatched experience. Horseback riding. A traditional way to explore the mountains, horseback. Riding lets you experience the beauty of Kazbegi in a unique way. Camping and stargazing. The clear mountain skies make Kazbegi a fantastic spot for camping and stargazing at night. Where to stay and eat in Kazbegi. Narrator. Kazbegi offers a range of accommodations, from cozy guest houses to luxury hotels. Some of the best options include rooms, Hotel Kazbegi, a stylish hotel offering breathtaking views of Mount Kazbek from its outdoor terrace. Kazbegi guest houses. For a more authentic experience, stay in a traditional guest house and enjoy local hospitality. Kinkali, juicy Georgian dumplings, perfect for a mountain meal. Lobio, a delicious bean stew, commonly enjoyed in the region. Cha-cha, a strong Georgian spirit to warm you up in the chilly mountain air. Best time to visit. Kazbegi narrator. Kazbegi is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on your preference. Spring and summer, May-September. Perfect for hiking, outdoor adventures, and enjoying the lush green landscapes. Autumn, October-November. A great time to see the mountains covered in vibrant fall colors. Winter, December-February. Ideal for snow lovers, as Kazbegi transforms into a winter wonderland with snowy peaks and cozy stays. Narrator. Kazbegi is a place where nature, adventure, and history come together to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're hiking up to Gergeti Trinity Church, exploring breathtaking gorges, or simply soaking in the mountain views, Kazbegi is a must-visit destination for every traveler. Have you been to Kazbegi, or is it on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible travel content. See you on our next adventure.